Hello, good evening and welcome. This is Dennis Zangid and you are watching Titanium News Channel Learn with Fun. Today's top headlines are India vs Ireland first T20 match. India caught to 7 wickets, win over spirited Ireland. Second news is from Maharashtra, political issue crisis live updates. Important meetings of Sindhe groups this afternoon, source says. And the third top news is coronavirus in India, live updates. India reports 11,793 cases and 27 deaths in past 24 hours. Fourth, NEET UG exam and JEE main exam is per schedule. And fifth top news from Karnataka, earthquake of magnitude of 3.0 hits Wangdu, second in 4 days. Now, news in details. The first news in from Ireland, and news is collected by our sports reporter Mr. Himanshu Paliwal. News is India vs Ireland. India first T20. India coast to 7 wickets win over spirited Ireland. It's from Maldives. Ireland put up a spirit fight, but India proved again strong for the home team to win the rain-hit opening T20 match by 7 wickets on Sunday. Harry Tector counter-attacking 64 outs out of 33 balls took Ireland to 108 total for 4 after the rain reduced the game to 12 overs a side. India were always ahead of the run rate in the chase, and with contribution from Ishan Kishan 26 runs of 11 balls, Deepak Hooda 47 not out of 29 balls, and skipper Indian captain Hardik Pandya 24 runs of 12 balls crucial to victory in 9.2 overs. Kishan counted his good form to get India off to a quick start. The first over of the innings went for 15 runs as per Kishan. Collected a couple of fours and a 6 of bowler Josu Little. In a rather surprising move, Deepak Hooda came to open alongside Kishan in place of Rituraj Gaikwad. He found his rhythm after a scratchy start and put up a match-winning 64 runs stand with Hardik Pandya. However, Hardik and Hooda kept going for their strokes, and a 21 runs over from Andy McBride put India back into control. While Hardik departed after hitting 3 sixes, Hooda staying till the end to hit the winning fours, and India won the match. That's all. For more updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Till that, stay tuned with us.